Hi guys, it's Ashley from Level Up English, and today we are going to do a lesson on idioms that can be used to describe a person. For those of you who watch my videos, you know that I feel very strongly about idioms, and I absolutely believe that they are an awesome way to sound more like a native English speaker. Being a native speaker myself, I use idioms constantly. I believe that they paint a wonderful picture with words. Idioms are also a great way to show people that you are serious about learning English and you are serious about the culture that comes with the language. In this video, I am going to teach you 30 idioms that can be used to describe people, what they mean, and how to use them in a sentence. In the description of this video, you will also find a link to a free PDF companion guide with everything you need to know from this lesson. Are you ready to take your English to the next level? Let's get started. Number 1 is pain in the neck. This is an irritating or annoying person. Example, Annie is a pain in the neck after her breakup. Number 2 is a people person. This is an outgoing person who gets along with people really well and is a good listener. Example, Jack is a real people person. He makes friends everywhere he goes. Number 3 is party animal. This is someone who likes to attend parties often. Example, he went out every night this week. He is such a party animal. Number 4 is cold fish. This is someone who has very little emotion, who is regarded as hard-hearted and unfeeling. Example, Jack broke up with Mary on her birthday. He is a cold fish. 5 is dark horse. This is someone who has greater abilities than they show or than other people are aware of. Example, I didn't know Annie could play the piano so well. She is a real dark horse. Number 6 is lone wolf. This is someone who prefers their own company and does not like socializing. We can also say a lone bird. In a sentence, we can say, I've always been a lone wolf because I enjoy my own company. 7 is nerd. This is someone who is very interested in science or technology, particularly in computers. In a sentence, we can say, he spends all his time with his computer. He is such a nerd. 8 is a moaning MINNIE. This is a person who complains a lot about insignificant things. We can say, she complains about everything. She is a moaning MINNIE. 9 is a happy camper. This is a person who is always happy and satisfied. A happy camper is always used in the negative. In a sentence, we can say, the hotel room was much smaller than I expected, and it was not as great as it looked on the advertisement. I was not a happy camper. 10 is a smart cookie. This is someone who has a strong personality and is quite smart. Example, Jack did really well at school. He is such a smart cookie. 11 is wet blanket. This is a person who ruins other people's fun by staying pessimistic and complaining all the time. Annie is negative about everything. I don't want to invite her to my party because she is a wet blanket. Number 12 is chatterbox. This is a person who talks a lot. Example, my son talks all the time. He is a chatterbox. 13 is down to earth. This is someone who is practical and close to reality and who accepts other people as equals. They are humble. Example, despite being very rich, he is a down-to-earth man and always makes time for people in need. Number 14 is golden boy. This is a winning person that everyone is fond of. Example, Timmy is the golden boy at school. 15 is slave driver. This is someone who makes other people work really hard. We can say, my boss is a slave driver. I had to work 2 weekends in a row. 16 is early bird. This is a person who wakes up, arrives at work before the usual time. The expression comes from the English proverb, the early bird catches the worm. In a sentence, we can say, I am an early bird. I get up at 5 o'clock every morning. 17 is busybody. This is a person who expresses great interest in other people's private lives. We can say, my mom is a real busybody. 18 is Scrooge. This is a miserable person who hates spending money. This expression comes from the character in A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. We can say, my boss is a Scrooge. He doesn't like to give out bonuses or salary increases. 19 is a daydreamer. This is someone who has dreamlike thoughts when they should be focusing on what they are doing. Example, I've always been a bit of a daydreamer in school. 20 is a clock watcher. This is someone who has no interest on the current activity and keeps watching the time. We can say, there are many clock watchers in my office. 21 is a go-getter. This is a person who is energetic and active and takes initiative to pursue things that they want. We can say he received a promotion at his new job after 3 months because he is a go-getter. Number 22 is a social butterfly. This is an extroverted person who loves to socialize. We can say he is excited about the party because he is quite the social butterfly. 23 is a goody-goody. This is a person who always acts good, sweet or nice and follows the rules perfectly. It is not a compliment to be a goody-goody. We can say it was difficult to be friends with her in school because she was a goody-goody. Number 24 is a couch potato. This is a lazy person. He doesn't like to exercise and go out much because he is a couch potato. 25 is a heart of gold. This is a really good person, a kind person. We can say she is my favorite person because she has a heart of gold. 26 is a cheapskate. This is someone who hates to spend money. In a sentence, we can say, I hate being around people who are cheapskates because they are always whining about money. 27 is oddball. This is a weirdo or a strange person. We can say they thought he was an oddball because he liked to talk to his plants. 28 is a troublemaker. This is a person who always causes trouble. We don't like to have him over for dinner because he is a troublemaker. 29 is a class clown. This is someone who always makes everybody laugh. We can say Jack is our class clown. Today he made everybody laugh several times. And our final one, number 30, is nutty as a fruitcake. This is someone who is quite crazy. We can say, my grandfather is as nutty as a fruitcake. He is always doing crazy things like trying to ride a skateboard. And there you have it, 30 idioms to help you describe people in a more natural and native sounding way. Don't forget that there is a free PDF guide for this video in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and comment which idiom you found the most interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Facebook page for more exclusive English learning content. Thank you for your time, and this is Ashley Hale with Level Up English signing out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.